Tagal ako dyan eh.
Ay, wala pa.
Ito.
Sino po ba ang mga mag-endorse ng mga members po natin?
Ayun, endorsement.
Duko lang, ma'am.
Tatlo po silang congressman.
Tatlong congressman.
Ito yung...
Pirma na ho. Siguro dapat pipirma ho si Sir. Halika ho muna ka, Sir. Sir, sa turbat na mas raise your right hand and affirm and confirm the following. That you are the complainant and then the endorsers of the complaint of impeachment. Yes. 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 That have caused the said complaint and the resolution of endorsement to be prepared and have read the contents thereof.
Yes.
That the allegations therein are true of your own knowledge and belief and on the basis of your reading of the records and the pertinent documents thereto.
Yes po.
Hindi mo now swear to God, pero pipirmahan na po natin ang ating verification.
Address ito?
Ulo.
Tapos na po yung